Hello guys, agriculture is one of my areas of interest, and if you have been following this channel, you may have seen a few clips that I have made in the past concerning farming, and today I want to share with you where it all starts. Now, as you can see, we are preparing our piece of land for crop production, and today we've decided to use mechanization. You can see we're using a tractor. Now this is New Holland TT 55, that is 55 horsepower, and we are confident it will do a good job. That's why we went for it. It's quite powerful. Now there are various methods of clearing land. You can do burning, you can do chemical, mechanization, and so on. So we decided to go with the tractor because it will give us the best results. Before we proceed, for those of you who have not subscribed, kindly go to the YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, and let us always share this content because agriculture is the way to go. Now it is best to prepare fields just before the onset of rain so that we have ample time for the weeds to dry up, and also to prepare in advance. As you can see, it's quite sunny and it's quite dry, so this is the best time to prepare the land. Notice that the tractor started plowing from the center, from the middle part, and this is very important. It's a skill that's quite important for the drivers, so that as the tractor turns around, it does not really step on areas that have been cultivated. And again, it also enables them to cultivate from inside towards the periphery of the fields. Now you can see that the tractor driver is quite skilled. Can you see the way he's doing his work? And we are all admiring this driver, what he's doing. It's also very important to notice that the edges are not been done, but I'm sure the driver will finish up with the edges, and just ensuring that the edges are well cultivated and they're well done. Again, it's quite dusty, as you can see, so we have to keep on moving, around just to make sure that we do not get covered with, dust and so on. I don't know how the driver is managing with all that dust. Now, when you're using tractor, it's very important to ensure that your plow is well set just before the tillage is started, and we did this practice before the tractor started to ensure that we got the right depth. Now our depth is around 1 feet, and this is normally based on the crop and the seeds that are going to be used. If you are going to use very small seeds, you don't need to have very deep depth, but in our case we felt that a feet is quite enough. We want to do maize, beans and Irish potatoes, and therefore a depth of 1 feet is relatively okay for us. It's also important to ensure that the land is evenly cultivated and spread. As you can see, there are no big fallows, there are no big ridges. That means the water will not stagnate in the land and the seeds will not be carried away. So just ensuring that the cultivation is done well. Again, it's not very fine. Remember, our seeds are not that small, so we do not need quite fine, seed beds and so on. as you can see now, we are moving towards the edge, and this part has not been plowed yet, and we are hoping that the driver, as we said, is started from the central point and will be cultivating towards the edge, and eventually he will make very clear edges for us, and that will ensure that all part has been done. So thank you very much for following up and ensuring that you keep updated on what we do